Hello everyone. First of all, very good evening to all of you. I hope you people are doing very well. So today we will learn what difference between hydrostatic law and Pascal law in fluid mechanics. Okay. So first we will learn what is hydrostatic law. Hydrostatic law generally tells about the rate of pressure increases downward direction with respect to height due to gravity. Means rate of pressure is equal to specific weight of the fluid. Clear? If we have a reference, okay, if we are going from here to upside, then your pressure going to decrease with respect to height. Clear? If from here we are going to downward direction, your pressure going to increase, okay, because your height going to lower and lower, okay, as per time. Clear? Your hydrostatic law is generally applicable for both of the fluid. Okay, one is compressible and another one is incompressible fluid. What is incompressible fluid? In incompressible fluid, density is constant, but in compressible fluid, density is not constant. The application of your hydrostatic law, like you can say manometers. There are so type of manometers, okay, like inverted U-tube manometer, differential, okay, so inclined manometer, okay. So now the turn is Pascal law. What is Pascal law? Pascal law is generally hold in static fluid, okay. Which fluid in static fluid? What fluid at rest, stationary fluid, okay. If we have a container and container filled by the liquid, okay, a fluid, we are going to analyze the one fluid molecule from there. So we will see there the pressure if the fluid molecules, one fluid molecules in a fluid element in equal in all direction, okay, in compressive in nature. Pressure it always compressive in nature at the fluid element, okay. So your Pascal law is valid for both gases and liquid also, okay. So the example of Pascal law were like hydraulic presses, hydraulic jack, okay. So these are the basic differences between the Pascal law and hydrostatic law, but in the condition of static fluid both law are valid, okay. Thank you so much.